welcome back to another Wednesday walk around at Coyote Classics. This Wednesday, we're walking around a car show that we're hosting here at Greene River Days. First annual Coyote Classics car show. Got a lot of really neat cars that showed up today. We're excited to check them out, see if we can find some winners to give awards to. I can already tell you it's gonna be really tough. We got a lot of nice stuff.
It is. I'm just so happy for the great turnout that we had here in Greene. There's 4 other car shows going on, so I just want to thank everyone for coming out and supporting us.
We're gonna go around and see if we can find some of these cars to give trophies to. A lot of beautiful cars. We're gonna find one for best of show, best survivor, best paint. Our mechanics are walking around trying to pick which one they want to nominate for Mechanic's Choice.
Don't forget best interior.
Best interior.
There you
go.
go.
Let's see what we can find.
We should interview the little child down here that's having a hard time. Because it's not a 69 Camaro, I guess.
This 53 is beautiful. We sold this one, how many, 6 months ago?
Yeah, this was like September.
Yeah.
A little bit more than that.
And this is I remember when we had this car, this is a very nice survivor car, very original interior, so
yeah.
Original paint on it.
Okay, this is one of my favorites. I'm a Firebird, Trans Am, 69 Camaro kind of guy, but look at this. Look how it's cleaner than rolling out of the factory. Like it's not even this clean day one.
Michael?
No.
What do you know?
What do you
Drinking beer
know?
yet today?
Nope, not yet. Not until I take the fire trucks home.
Hey, we got a pretty good turnout.
Oh yeah, this is
we got
crazy.
what? How many? 43
Yeah,
today?
close to 50 actually.
That's really
Yeah, more people came.
good for a first time.
I heard this guy has a good story on the 70 Chevelle. Let's talk to him out of Cedar Falls.
It's one that I bought when I was a junior in high school.
Awesome.
First time. Yeah. I owned it for 10 years and I sold it to a guy. And in '93, he sold it to a guy in Norfolk, Nebraska. The guy in Norfolk, Nebraska sent me a letter wanting to know the history on the car.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So I sent him a 5-page letter back with everything I knew about it.
Uh-huh.
So I just kind of kept working on him. That was early 2000.
Okay.
We'd talk like every 6 months or so. He called me, he said, hey, I just want to let you know I decided if you want to buy the car back, I'll sell it to you. August of 2015.
15 that you finally
got it back.
came together.
Yep.
Very cool.
And I had it rebuilt about 3 years ago.
I was wondering,
Completely
yeah, if you
rebuilt
had it.
top to
Okay.
bottom.
For me, it's like
So is this what the engine that came with the car, or
No, this was originally a 396 car.
396 car?
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful.
Yeah, but it's a 496 now.
Yep.
The board and stroke 454. Everybody likes to hear it.
Oh, that's nasty.
that's nice. Then you got the best of both worlds.
You do.
I drive around with it open. I like it open.
Thanks for bringing it here today.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, we drove up from Cedar Falls.
I appreciate that.
All
Thought
right.
it seemed like a good place to go.
Look at this piece. It's got the dually on the back, diesel motor, a newer diesel engine in it.
Cummins diesel. I wonder if it's two friends or husband and wife. Looks like the same name on the registrations, but
I think it's just a coincidence. I doubt they came together.
Yeah.
I'm kidding.
they're neat as heck though. I love this.
Yeah. Look at that engine.
409.
Yeah.
Tri-power.
6-pack. Yeah. That's my favorite.
It's all
kind of
leather too.
6-pack.
That's a nice car. How about this? You never see these either. Oh, Chevy
Nomad, sir.
57 Nomad.
Yeah. On the license plate it says Nomad on it. I would put all happy, but
Nomad.
you're still saying the same thing.
You got the jokes.
I do have the jokes.
When I first came to this one, I almost thought I sold this a long time ago. I think
know, it
this
looked
one was
familiar.
a Coyote Classics car.
Yeah. So dual. I like the blower. Very neat.
How you doing? Hi, you guys.
57's really neat too.
Yeah, no, this
Nice survivor.
Yeah, I was just gonna say.
4-speed.
First shifter, someone went ahead and put some bucket seats. Check this out a little bit. Check out the rear seat pattern. Obviously not original, but pretty damn cool.
That is very cool.
There's a lot of neat interiors in this one. In these cars here, a lot of crushed velvet stuff back from the 80s.
Yeah, it's neat. This is our great customer and friend of ours, Wally.
Yeah, this is the only
Very
car you
cool
ever bought
custom.
from us, right?
Yeah.
Wally, how come the only car you haven't bought from us is the one you bring to a car show, Wally? You bought 12 cars, and the only one you haven't bought from us is the one you bring to the car show.
This is one I haven't had out yet.
True. Let's just say because you've been having a lot of problems with it because you didn't buy it from us. So you finally got it fixed. Perfect, Wally. How are you guys? Good?
It's neat too.
Yeah, this is a cool car. Comet Caliente, convertible, black and red interior, red lines. Our favorite color combination right there. Yeah, one of Dave's Camaros. Diamond Dave, good deal Dave.
Yep. It's a neat car. He brought that down today when he helped us set up.
Hi, Gary. Yeah, Dave's. That's Dave's. Hey, Dalton. This one right here, this one might be my choice for kind of a survivor old school car.
That is kind of cool.
Isn't that neat?
The green,
I love it.
That's cool as hell.
I love it. It's one of my favorite cars at the car show. As soon as I seen it, I just absolutely love the interior and the old school keystones.
It's cool. This one I think has a very good chance of winning our best survivor trophy. Just original paint, got all the original paperwork too in the trunk.
Isn't that cool?
Factory fender tag.
Look at the original look at the valve covers. It's pretty cool.
That is very
Plymouth
cool.
on it. Air conditioning car.
Yeah.
This one's super original.
Very. Still has, you can tell here when you look, it still has like the original paint and pinstriping. You can see it's just a little weird thing. The interior on these are very neat.
That's one thing I didn't look at really is the interior on this one. Oh yeah, pretty neat. You know what, I've noticed this a lot lately at the car shows. We're getting a lot of neat, newer muscle cars, you know, which I really respect them as well.
Yeah, they're fun.
I kind of like this one here, yeah. Don't you love how they cut this out right here?
Yeah, that is neat.
Good choice, US mags, can't go wrong with them. And they kept the original steering wheel on this one too, on the 37.
This is my favorite when we do this at car shows. We have like the old school like A&W stuff.
I like the banjo steering wheel. They did a resto mod, but they left the original steering wheel and shifter in there. Hey D, this one's got really good paint as well.
Yeah, it does.
Beautiful Corvette.
Let's see every Dave. Dave, what are you finding?
I'm finding out that people have their names and the cities they're from on their cars that we like. So we're gonna pick from that.
Free beer at the car show. We're having a lot of fun.
Hey D, come look at this one. Look at the house carpet in this baby.
Oh, that's cool.
This is a Survivor too.
Yeah.
You see the house carpet? Original interior 100% except for the shag carpet.
That's cool.
Straight out of the attic.
So I'll get that information on this one.
I like that as a Survivor, don't you?
It's got a six-pack on there?
It's got the graduation tassel in the rearview mirror strip.
It's cool. Probably somebody's high school car.
Probably is. It's an H code. It's a 340 4-barrel car.
That Nova's neat too.
A small block
You like the
350.
Nova?
Factory SS here, probably. Got the factory console, factory tack in the dash. But this one here would be my choice for best of show. It's just my favorite car.
The Starliner here.
Definitely. I mean, look at the color combination. And wait till you check out, not just the engine bay, but check out the interior. Yeah, this is my favorite one. Look at that. I mean, I'm kind of partial to
That's very
purple
cool.
anyway, but look at that. Isn't that great?
And a 4-speed.
Now, this is a really cool story. So he had one this exact color in high school. So he went and searched for one. This one was the original color, this same iris color, and he went ahead and had it completely restored.
That's neat. Or wait. So this is in last week or 2 weeks ago when you've seen old Danny and Tim working on this.
Oh, yeah.
So we ended up getting the retractable top working together. This is probably the nicest retractable ever. You rarely ever see those with still have the luggage, and they're super, super hard to find. Just everything's correct, and
It's got air.
it's stunning.
Absolutely pristine.
It says sniff, but do not scratch, please.
I don't want to sniff it.
Yeah, this is a contender for best of show or best paint.
I like this thing, man.
Our mechanics have spent a lot of time looking at this thing today. They really like it. This thing is cool as hell.
Yeah, at first, if you look at the backside of the hood on this, at first I thought this might be best paint. But
That's
I mean,
pretty.
just look at the
Oh, yeah.
metallic right here. See?
That's beautiful.
Hey, how are you, my friend? I seen you walking through earlier. How you doing?
Fine.
Good, good. Look at that. Isn't that cool, huh?
Oh, that's cool. That's awesome.
Oh, I love that.
He told us we need to order some of these and give them away. That is so cool, isn't it? Well,
Very
thank
cool.
you so much for your support, my friend. You're enjoying the heck out of it still?
Sorry.
Isn't it awesome? My foreman, Gibby,
Yeah.
I work for at Schroeder's. He bought this car in 1976. He graduated in 76. It's a 1974 Roadrunner. He kept it this whole time and sold it to a guy 2 years ago, and he restored it.
Really, this was Gibby's old car?
This is Gibby's car. He bought it in 76.
Did a beautiful restoration.
Isn't that nice?
Okay, I know this Firebird though is probably one of the nicest Firebirds I've seen. I mean, under the hoods, everything's just perfect, just how it should be. Interior is really nice. It's got the original window sticker, 404-speed car.
I don't know how he got it from home to here
And not get it.
condition.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't have any oil
They all
leaks.
everything gets dirty, yeah.
I know, but you don't have oil leaks.
That's
Even
nice.
dust and just, yeah.
You don't see too many of these either, huh? Yeah, but it's not your just your 55 Chevy. Look, it's like a Del Rey, right? Hey, see, these kids don't know that. They act like, hey, it's just a 55 Chevy. I'm like, no, there's something different about this one.
Well, old guys like you know that.
Yeah.
I was pointing at this one. He's younger than me.
Quite that old.
No, but I remember I remember
That's
Dad used
cool.
to sell some of these. And you don't see many of them.
I've had it
50 years.
last night, or yeah, last month. 50 years.
This Chevelle's super nice too, LS in it. These
Very
pickups
nice.
are
Down there.
just stupid nice. Kind of sister cars, and then this one here to the right's got a dually with a Cummins in it. Cummins diesel in this one. Look at the interior too. I mean, this is
Look at the
very, very nice.
Look at the fat fender on here.
Yeah, it's
You
got a
can
dually.
shave. You could shave anywhere in this truck. Man, it's gorgeous, isn't it?
very nice. This one's a familiar car.
How you doing, Gary?
Gary's 6-2 bubble top. Gary always has a way of buying all my favorite cars that we get. He's
He
got them all in
does,
his
doesn't
garage.
he? As soon as we get one of the favorite cars in, he gets it.
This is neat too, an old Nomad. Don't see
This
those
is the
very
one I was
often.
talking about. So Jay painted this back in 1985. This is one of the like 7 or 8 that he's painted. What about the interior, man?
That's cool.
That's groovy.
Groovy.
You like that?
I like that. Then you can't be in Greene, Iowa without some old farm trucks.
Groovy.
Yes.
And this is nice
The
too,
interior
69
is
Barracuda
groovy.
convertible.
I like it.
Another
nice and
local
restored.
Greene, Iowa car right here. Cuda 340. Isn't that kind of a different color combination? Isn't that
Yeah,
cool? Red
it's
lines,
beautiful.
yellow, black stripes.
They even got the old club card out.
And if I know Mike, this is all original too. I mean, as far as color
owns this one?
combination, Mike Ganson.
Oh, really?
I'm pretty sure that's who drove in on
Yep,
it.
that's very nice.
What do you mind, this old girl?
Oh, you gotta have a couple old farm trucks. I'm going to have Dave from Coyote Classics go through, read off the winners for the various trophies that we have this year. But again, thanks everybody for coming out.
So I'm going to have Miss Greene 2023 and Little Miss Greene 2023 hand out the awards. So for Mechanic's Choice, our mechanics selected Jeff Yost from Parkersburg's 1968 Firebird. All right, for the best survivor, Ben Kaplan of Alden's 1953 Ford Crestline. All right, and then for best interior, we have Gary Nation of Parkersburg with his 1961 Impala. All right, the next award is for the coolest custom. And that goes to Bob Bosman of Parkersburg with his 46 Chevy 1-ton diesel. The next award is for Best Paint, and that goes to Galen Derricks of Cedar Falls with a 1970 Chevelle. And for the final award, Best of Show, and this was very difficult to pick, but we ended up going with the Dennis McWilliams from Greene 1959 Ford retractable. Just want to thank everybody for coming out again. You're the ones that made it possible for us to have.